Name the animal. Are you an animal expert or an amateur?
Okay, animal lovers. I've got some animals here for you to see if you know what they are. Some people only know animals from wildlife documentaries on TV, like lions, elephants, crocodiles, and great white sharks, but there are so many more. Want to test your animal expertise? From the commonplace to the rare and exotic, try naming these 10 cool animals. 1 or 2 are easy ones each week, and at least one is a tough one. Good luck. Ready, set, go! That's a cute little kitty. Meow. Well, we can't all be beautiful. Yes, that's my music playing in the background. We got 2 easy ones today. This one, Lassie, and another one coming up soon. Aww. Might not know the name of this little fella.
Wow! That was so cute!
This animal has been named by something it resembles. Let's keep this PG rated. And here's the second easy one for everybody. these answers. 1, Canadian lynx. 2, naked mole rat. 3, the horseshoe crab. 4, anglerfish. 5, collie. 6, the shoebill stork. 7, hopalongur. 8, the penis snake. 9, honeybee. And 10, orca or killer whale. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Ready for the next one?
That's some good yodeling.